Andrew, and today I received a package in the mail today, which is my ASUS AX1800 Wi-Fi 6 router, RTAX55 dual band gigabit wireless router. Being value gaming things. Which is today my other router got broken, and that was the problem that was installing Cydia and my device. So I'm gonna wrap this right now. So aha, here's the router itself. It was like a 90. I paid like $90 for this. I saved this, and it is ASUS. Here's the back, and then ASUS RTX then is the next generation routers, and the says 18 100 Mbps. See, there's a 4x newer capacity and RTX image support method. So let's see. So let's open the box. Let's unwrap the plastic off. Where am I on my stand? Oh dear. And there. Aha. Here's all the instructions that came with it. This stuff. The quick start guide. Advanced Wi-Fi helper tip. I think this might support WPA or A1. Quick start guide. Yes. So look, here's the router itself. It says ASUS Wi-Fi 6. Looks very good. It comes with this Ethernet cable. And there's this AC or supply adapter. So there should be a way I can set it up without my modem. Yeah, so create a new network and said prepare your modem. Prepare your modem, unplug right here. So I don't really have a modem downstairs, so I might have to. So yeah, so there you go. So that's it for this video, and I can't wait to use. I might make a video about how to set up. Think about it. Depends on my room tonight and have to. So yeah. So remember to rate, like, comment, share, subscribe, and bye.